how I broke my nail, but I remember accidentally pressing on it while I'm doing some chores. It bent a few times, but thank gods and goddesses of moisturizing, because if I wasn't moisturizing, it will snap so painfully that blood will shed everywhere. This is the crack, and when I press the other side of my nail, it lifts up the other end. That makes a gap in between the crack. I'm removing the nail polish because I want to see how long the crack is, and I'll be filing my nails after this. After cleaning, I can clearly see the crack. It's right between the tips and my nail beds. I'm planning to remove the long tip of my nails, but half of the crack was in the nail bed, while half of it hangs around the edge. I think I'll just file it to shorten it. Remember, always file on one direction. This time, I'm not filing like a saw. I'm gonna do the tea bag method because that's the only method I know. Checking a size that would fit my nail and then cutting it. I'm only using small portions of the tea bag. That's why I still have it until now. I think I dried it 2 years ago. I'm aligning it. Oh! I'm gluing it now, and instead of nail glue, I'm using shoes glue. This is a nail glue alternative here in the Philippines. I bought it for 10 pesos only. As you can see, the tea bag is soaking the glue. That's why it's not spreading on my skin. I got some dot of shoes glue on the side of my finger, but it's very minimal. I'm pressing it, making sure there are no tea bags sticking up, and I want to make sure it lays super flat on the nail, and there are no air bubbles. I'm definitely pressing on the crack part because that's the most important part. I'm adding a little more because the tea bag is not sticking. This is what it looks like after drying. It's a bit rough though, and you can clearly see the texture of it. Now I'm applying nail polish. Oh my gosh, the texture. Oh, I should have buffed it, but I don't have a buffer. But no one's gonna see it, because I'm not going out, so I'll just leave it ugly. My goal is to fix it, so I don't mind if it looks weird. It started chipping and the sides of the tea bag is not sticking anymore, so I'm just gonna remove it. And I'm removing this part. I can see that there's no difference on the crack. See? There are tea bag left on the upper part, but I can't remove it. This is so frustrating. This is what it looks like after filing. This is the broken nail. I thought it will be much easier if I would file it down to this length, but the hair gets there easier than before when it was longer. Wait, I'm gonna show it. See? Look. Although I'm pulling it, but it gets there easier than before. I was planning on cutting it using a nail clipper, but I'm afraid I might cut myself because half of the crack is in the nail bed. So now I'm just filing it down until that piece of broken nail gets super thin. I'm also filing the top part, not just the edge. First I'm filing the edge and then I'll be filing the top of it. Now I'm filing the top of it to make it thin because it's more flexible if it's super thin. Well, for me, it won't break or snap if it's super thin and flexible.